nó chỉ sẽ tổng trẻ à?
Yeah. Nhớ rồi à? Nhớ đồng thời đó nó của tôi thì của tôi là tự tông đó. Cái bé ôm mò đó, của tôi là tự tông cái bé ôm squirrel no đó, okay?
Yeah.
So we're at my brother's Tony's house today. We're going to be making some squirrels, and this is how you make squirrels. You don't have to put that much spice, but we love spice. In this Yang clan, this Yang family, we love spice. All right. So we're gonna be making some good spice into it. Right here, what you see is cilantro. So have like about this much, depending on how many squirrels you want. That's how you want to prep it up. Here are, I don't know what these brown things are. American name are called. You think what are they called again? Kana.
Galinga.
Galinga. Okay, cool. So galinga. You see these brown stuff? They are galinga. And you see some basil leaf here. And then that is also the basil leaf. And then down right here, these little things are lemongrass. And you see behind it is ginger. And then we have, what are these over here?
Okay, you have lemongrass, galinga, pepper, and then garlic.
Garlic, nice.
And ginger. You have basil. You don't have the Hmong basil, you can buy the Thai basil.
Okay, the Thai
Yeah.
basil.
And this is mint.
Mint.
No, no. No, no, no.
The mint, but the long leaf mint.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the side.
So those are the ingredients that I cooked. And you put a little bit of oil in there.
A little bit of oil in here.
A little bit of everything. You all the herbs are supposed to be in there first, and then you save 50% until the food is cooked. Then you dump this last.
You dump that last, guys.
Yeah.
All right.
So I'm going to stir these first. And then here is the meat.
And this is how you prep up the meat, the squirrel meat.
See, you marinate it with salt and some MSG ahead of time. And you don't have to cook, you don't have to cut it too big based on what style you like. Me, I like to cut it medium. Some people, they cut it so tiny.
So this is the squirrel meat, guys. So take a good look at it.
So in here you will get it started to cook. Galinga, ginger, lemongrass, mint, cilantro, and then pineapple and nickel. Okay, you stir this first. And don't let it burn, don't let it burn.
All right. Don't let it burn, guys. Don't let it burn. You remember we put a little oil in there? We're gonna fry these first. See, this is what I like to do. I like to video people cook. I do this for Reggie too. And when Reggie cooks, I'll video him. And I just upload it.
Make sure you video me too.
Nice.
Are you?
Yeah, I am. I get you. I got you.
So I'm the big brother of all of you guys.
Yes, that's
This is
right.
Setong Ya, okay?
That's right. That's my brother's home. We call him Tony.
Yeah.
He's the oldest. Alright.
See? You stir it like this. Make sure you don't let it burn. Make it smell good first. But if you like what okay? You like the bitter thing, you can chop the what cho nó and keep on that. Cho nó còn rất là
So what that means is that you can also, if you like a little bit bitter, you can use the intestine in there, the clean part, and then you can cook it during this time. During this time.
So that all the smell will disappear.
Yep.
And leaving only the good stuff.
Oh, the aroma.
There's still more to come. More process, a few more process.
Yep. I'll show you guys shortly here.
So now,
what that looks like, see it?
yeah, the herb is not well cooked, but it's all mixed, and the aroma smells good. Now you can throw in the marinated squirrel, salt, and MSG. Throw it in there, and don't wash this way yet. You need to put water in there and rinse all these things, and the flavor will go in there too.
Nice. So you want to savor the flavor, basically. We marinate. Everything was perfect already. We're gonna use everything that we already marinated.
Now you stir this. Make sure don't let it burn.
Fire is on medium, I believe.
I'm on high right now.
Oh, my brother's cooking on high because
But eventually I'm gonna lower it down.
So
I'm gonna
fire
keep the
on
heat.
high.
It's all about the heat.
That's right, exactly. Cooking is about controlling.
So at this point you don't want to lower the heat yet, but you want to keep stirring it. The little heat kuma higher.
Nice.
Yeah.
Now I get you and the squirrel.
So now the squirrel is being stirred in here. And you get the lid. Make sure you get the lid. Cover it. So you can lower the heat.
Okay.
You can lower the heat down to like a medium or medium low.
Okay.
And you're gonna slow cook these and keep stirring it.
Okay.
Slow cook, and later on you're gonna have water in there. You wanna get closer to it?
The condensation, huh?
Yeah, the condensation will add water in there, but you wanna cook it until the water is evaporated.
Okay.
And then all you got left is a concentrated, flavor.
Oh, I see.
And then I will let you know. Okay.
Ready.
While the squirrel is being cooked in a medium-low heat, don't let it burn. Keep stirring it. Get some hot water ready for the sauce. The reason you need hot water is because it's all about the heat. Remember, it's all about the heat.
Yeah. Cool. All right.
Okay. So just keep stirring, and now you can add a little bit more pepper in there. And then just stir it, and now we got a little bit more water, but you want to make sure the water all drain out, and be patient,
Patience is the key to cooking squirrels, guys.
Yeah, be patient.
The heat, remember the heat. You gotta keep the heat nice. You just cook the meat.
If you look closely here, you want to come closer.
Sir.
See, right now, the water almost evaporated, and all you got is the juice right now, but it's not quite good yet, okay? So keep stirring it like this, and then just make sure it's not burned, that's all. When the water is low like this, you want to pay a more closer attention to it, make sure it doesn't get burned. If it burns, the flavor is changed.
It's ruined. Okay.
So here, now the water is completely evaporated. All you got is the pure sauce and flavor. And then here, if you want to eat it like this, you can eat it like that. And just throw the remainder of the herbs in there and cut off the heat. But you want to add some sauce because you want to make it as squirrels, with water sauce. Then you can add hot water at this time. But I want to just give it a taste.
How's it taste?
It's good.
Set? You gotta say set.
I'm gonna put hot water. Turn the heat to high. Hot water. Based on how much sauce you want. If you overdo with the sauce, it's no good either. Just want to make sure, just enough. I got 4 squirrels in here, so I would say I'm gonna go up to right there, okay? About that level. And at this point, you wanna see the water is boiling.
Already?
That's the reason you use hot water.
Oh.
If you don't have that ability, you can just add cold water, but then
You have to
you have to wait,
Yeah.
and then the meat might have a little bit of hiccup.
Yeah.
But it's still gonna taste good, okay? But it's just not as convenient like this. So now I'm just gonna let it cook for probably 5 to 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'm gonna shut it off, and then to put this on, and then we'll taste to make sure we have plenty of sauce, and make sure you got a little bit saltier than normal meat. Okay.
We are putting fire to a little bit high in this one, okay? So don't be afraid. We got some water in here to make the liquid.
Oh, remember earlier I said don't wash this yet?
Don't wash the pan,
Yeah.
remember?
Yeah.
I do.
Hey, because that's the sauce what you need in there. Now you can wash it.
Nice. Set. They're still ready. All right.
Okay, so now it's been boiling for at least 5 to 7 minutes. I think it's good. You know, look at the meat; it's nice and soft and tender. And then you can shut the oven off and dump the rest of the fresh vegetable. I mean, not vegetable, herb. And all you gotta do is just stir it like this. And after you stir it like this, just let it sit. At this point, you want to taste it. Make sure it's tasty. If you don't have enough salt, you can add a little bit more salt, okay? That's it. Yeah, it needs a little bit more salt. So I said, about that much. Stir it again. We call it good. And then cover it up a little bit. Leave it a little bit of ventilation out. 10-15 minutes. Enjoy.
Enjoy. All right, that's how you cook a squirrel. That's the conclusion of the video. I'll see you guys in the next video then. All right.